Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2012 Kia Rio EX model sedan. They make a few different models: coupe, sedan, hatchback, EX, SX, LX. And this one is nice clean condition. 3 previous owners, no reported accidents, nice clean and clear headlights, beautiful revised front bumper. This is now the new style rendition of this vehicle. The previous generation in the 2010-11 mark is vastly different. This is when Hyundai and Kia started really coming into their own, creating really nice designs that the rest of the population really enjoyed. This one comes with the ever-reliable 1.6 GDI. It's a gasoline direct injected engine, and very good, very long-lasting motor. Easy to maintain, very good eco score on this one. And this vehicle comes equipped with tinted windows, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, newer tires, power windows, locks, mirrors, nice clean smoke and pet free interior, clean dashboard, a CD player, UVO sound system by Microsoft, and Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth capabilities, AM, FM stereo, standard AC controls. I like the little airplane switch status that they gave the buttons there. But down here we have our auxiliary USB 12-volt chargers, and then the UVO system, automatic transmission, and keyless entry, center console, armrest storage, original owner's manual, rear backup camera. I don't know if we touched on that yet or not, but it is equipped. And then it does have the vanity mirrors, and then illumination here is up top with the switch. And then we have dual map lighting, and then we have our Bluetooth speaker up here for Bluetooth that is equipped on the multifunction steering wheel. So if you're looking for inexpensive on maintenance, you're looking for excellent fuel economy, and you're looking for reliability, this is definitely the car for you. Split fold 60/40 rear seats, so those backs of those seats fold down flat. Looking down this side of the vehicle, we have one what looks like a long door ding on the passenger rear door, but otherwise very clean, no scratches. And then here in a nice spacious trunk we have our tire inflator kit. No spare tire. It is the inflator kit vehicle. That is a standard option for these cars, just in case you weren't aware. That is very normal to see that on Hyundai, Kia, Chrysler, most newer cars now. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and it has power folding mirrors, so that's both side view mirrors fold in with the push of that button in case you want to protect your side view mirrors from any passerbys. And then down below we have our trunk release, fuel door release, hood release, and then interior illumination, active eco button, traction control on or off, and then we have our automatic headlights, fog lights, and we have our multifunction steering wheel to include cruise, voice command, volume, and Bluetooth controls. And then this is for our info for the vehicle. And then we have our interval front wipers. We have some wear here on the leather wrap steering wheel. Very common for this vehicle to have that over the years. And turning the vehicle on, we have 102,000 original 3-owner miles. Nice sweeping gauges there for nice welcoming. We have airbag warning light and tire pressure warning light. So those are going to stay illuminated to the point of sale. And there's our backup camera. A little fuzzy on the lens. The plastic is a little hazy, but it does work.
Thinking about becoming a nurse? Rasmussen University.
And then we have our nice sound system. Speakers are very quality, and ice cold AC. So everything's properly working. The drive is excellent. It's a great little vehicle, great on gas and great on the price, which is the main thing. Just due to how high used cars are getting, this one is definitely within reason. So if you want a newer looking car, something reliable, something to upgrade to, look no further than this 2012 Kia Rio EX 4-door sedan. You can find this beautiful Kia exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.